Hey everybody, and welcome back to Learning with Teacher Alexis. It's so glad to see you again. Today we're going to be learning about ramps and how velocity works. So you're going to need one car or something that rolls down a ramp. You could use toilet paper, you can use a marble, anything that can roll down a ramp. But we'll get to that in a little bit. Before we do that, we have to do our regular things such as the hello song, weather, and the calendar. So let's warm up our hands. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's good to see you, and I hope you guys are all doing great. So we're saying goodbye Wednesday and hello to Thursday. And guess what? Yesterday was number 25. If we add one more to that, it will be number 26. And then after Thursday comes what day? Oh yeah, Friday, my favorite day of the week. And favorite starts with F, and Friday starts with F. So it's favorite and Friday. So now it's time to go check the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? Go look outside. Go look outside. Tell us what the weather is. Tell us what the weather is. Go look outside. Remember the two things, what you feel and what you see. Hopefully it's a nice day. Today was a little bit rainy here, but when you watch this video, hopefully it's sunny over there. All right? So ramps. Ramps can be anything. You can get a book. You can get a piece of wood. You can get anything you want. And remember, you need something to just roll down that ramp. This is a science thing. So velocity means speed, okay? And that's how we're going to decide what ramp causes the car or the marble or whatever you choose to go faster. We all love fast things, right? And don't worry, this is a time where things can go fast and you don't get a police ticket because the police are there to make sure everybody's being safe and driving safe and not going too fast on the road. So I'm going to get my ramp set up. I have to change the camera a little bit so you can see it. I have a stool and I'm going to put one ramp up first and show you how the car goes down. And then I'll show you a different kind of ramp. And I bet you either mom or dad or around the house has some kind of form of ramp. So here we go. Take a second, take a deep breath, and blow it out while I get set up for our ramps and the velocity. This is our first ramp, and I'm using just a notepad where I draw on. And I have a what color car? Orange. And I'm going to put it at the top of my ramp, and I'm going to see how fast it goes down. I'm just using my eyeballs. I'm not timing it with a timer or anything like that. I'm just going to use my eyeballs and see how fast it goes down. So that was ramp number 1. Now I'm going to get another ramp. And this is just a board. And I'm going to turn it this way. But do you see? There's texture to this board. So is that going to cause the car to go faster or slower? I don't really know. I have to see with my eyes if that's going to make a difference in the velocity of the car. So here I go. I have my same orange car, and I'm gonna put it at the top, and I'm gonna see if it goes faster or slower than my other ramp. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Did it go faster or did it go slower? I think it might have went a little bit faster. But guess what? I have the biggest ramp ever that I'm going to use right now. And we're going to see if this one makes the car go faster than both of those ramps. So here we go. I got a piece of wood from my backyard. And it's a big rectangle that I'm going to put up right here. And hopefully it sticks so I could do my ramp. All right, and obviously I'm doing this against my refrigerator, but you guys can make ramps anywhere in your house. All right, and I have my same orange car. The importance of having the same car each time is that it is the main thing that's the same. So the only thing that can change is the ramp. And that ramp changes how fast or how slow this car goes, which is called the velocity. So here I go. Let's see if this one on this ramp makes it go faster or slower than this ramp or this ramp. So we've had a square ramp, a very skinny rectangle pink ramp, and now we have a wood rectangle ramp. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I'm not sure what one, but think to yourself what one might have been the fastest. And whatever you come up with, that's your own answer, and it is okay, whatever you came up with, because it's a science experiment. We don't know unless we test things out. And that's what scientists do. They test things out to see if they work, or how they work, or what makes them work. And you all can be scientists by doing these experiments with ramps. So remember, you just need one car or one marble or one something that will roll down a ramp, and you can test out what way it makes it go faster or slower. And that is called velocity. So today I was talking to some of my friends and they gave me some recommendations of songs to sing. So the first song I'm going to sing is ABC. And yesterday we talked about the ABCs, right? And in the ABCs, we can all sing that song. But remember, you have to see it, and then you have to say it. So when I sing the ABCs, I would love for you guys to make the sounds of each letter. All right, so for example, when I say A, you're going to say A, A, A. Or when I say B, you're going to say Ba, Ba, Ba. Or when I say C, you're going to go K, 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 and so on. But I will sing the ABCs because somebody recommended for me to sing it, and I don't want to disappoint them because anything you promise, you should always keep. They call that a pinky promise. So here I go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So hopefully you guys made all the sounds of the ABCs. But I'm going to teach you a new song. You might already know, but it's new to my YouTube channel. So here we go. A, B, C, D, dinosaur. That is what the D stands for. Some are big and some are small. Oh, wait. Do you know the rest of the words? I think you might. So finish the song for me, okay? And then guess what? Tomorrow, we're going to learn a whole new activity. And it's going to be so exciting for you guys. I pinky promise you. So, before I go, I'm going to sing a goodbye song, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. I can't wait to see what your ramps look like and what you think about if they go fast or slow. That's the velocity, remember? So here we go. Goodbye, everybody. It's so good to see you. Goodbye, everybody. It's so good to see you. I was so glad to see you guys today. Have an amazing day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Remember, make those thumbs up choices, because if you do it, then thumbs up things happen. And I promise that thumbs up things will happen. All right, have a good day. I love you guys.